Etia minimum say what is say soldiers for any Nyinahin youth class any Nyinahin camouflage soldier uniform na obi youth ba ko hye Nyinahin wonum at the end of the day no the ba ko hye camouflage uniform there so for ebon to eku no. On that issue no Saddick Adams sport Obama abetere adwene ewo ho anafiso Ashanti region NDC Secretary abesen warning to Mahama say ni ba kro soldier ni kro board abrante di tu no omumfa ne famra kwase enye sa there will be a heated demonstration against Mahama. Na in this video, memo hunu ekwan krokra ade potiesi ya ema so yani etimbo da abranti wetu na ede na ekos na omu ye de na ono kra no na oye de ya so efotimbo ntoku no ayi Penyah block media meso say ni dem obe like video ra ma obo subscribe button so be click notification icon for latest update na be chere wa adwen de ma me e wo comment a meso so baso na shi video mo for so enya bi ahwe. It's about 4 days ago and a pop up on the internet said there's been a clash between the Ghana Armed Forces and Nyinahin youth. And nyina way and a kofa by. Na a year e cost e wo kroba na is abrante ba ko ewu. And say Ghana youth say obi oye babun ewu a youth bi ewu a how na years and 7 youth ni si je boss no. You know wa no wa letua. 80 youth ye na e cost boys no e just yem fafun mo omo akosi et na adaka no. Eda kia mu renotype ni bi kia frontier mu and the danes wo de eko esie ho no akosie na on that fateful day na abrante a owu ye kushibi e wa say kushibi the picture that so but on that particular fateful day o atari bia ya wotashe atari no military camouflage military uniform ba so wo jira ho no ka say we soldier ni top and down wa hwe pampines e wo anybody say what time angasa what to gym no wa memene that they are wa boss banche pampe. Now on that particular experience was a camouflage soldiers uniform let's obi nam kuruma ekosi efunu na omuturu ekro no ni main street no I don't go pay soldier force e wo na soldier force direct traffic because na traffic go krom na eso pa almost e bitwamako it they stopped and they actually directing traffic to make sure say accident bia ensi basabasi bia ema and you for the no say there be akwa wo be say soldiers uniform media so je ni bia no be dress ya na tare he nyina no wa bie batims ni nyina je say there be so je uniform yan for more life you know say na be confront akojo hu na say akwa no onye so je ni kushi bi enye so je ni eno say wu ya ne on pene to empene no a atare e hyew ne de oni so ye fo yan fa ya dress ni agro yan fa uniform ni agro ya no onye ndede atare no wuro top and down nyina wodogu heye ene ne be he menguro wurogu ha menguro ana boys ne be support kushibi ene dan omuni so ye for din kan dan abo to boys that so mo pai abo ene so ye for nso dan gu mu so ne etuo edi ahim e ma tuo kan dipa 4 at the end of the day no e mu ba ko anyway eye kushibi e de wuye. this particular issue no and I say a trend e was social media mountain so na emu no ana sports Obama Saddick Adams able to say so you will maybe wo constitution ni mu sa and I say o maybe Ghana has say ni ko to say obi e fake military uniform I want to take instant justice against that person and as a saying na mrani sika
was an issue in Nyinahin a year phobia omo a call akosiefunu sabe na soja foka etwam sorry a eba no na soja foka ni twam no ena omo hu sa brante ba ko hye kamo se de friend no soja satade bi o hye bi ena yesi soja fo ni siye na omo so onro ena oro soro de no reporter wa hano no ena omo so onro from de no na brante ne se onhye wa ase ena omo se da bi unse soja fo so de esa de omo awro soja fo de me de fo mu ni agro ti besre mu mama fa soja fo ni agro omo ni agro omo training na eden pa omo bre pa ntia munya abotre mom ti soja fo se omo wura ochoba watu adidi omo be di ni nyina afiri ho ama asem ade asem ko na ho ato omo bre pa ti soja fo de omo nyeni pa me mfa mu ni agro danso anopa me chiao muko peacekeeping ni bibia asa but asem ne say omo se abrante ne ngwa trial na wa ngro no ene dani se wa wonim do before complain obey ni sa popo etu ato omo ni kromo afọ dia bom etu na bo abrante na oda ho a wa frim bo ni trim se no kra na maintain ma biase ye nyina yesu so enim se mra we wo ho na ye nyina se sojafo atade bia ye nhye se Ghana fo mu nimu a mamen kan emra no se de sitie ema mo sisia anopai emra e kire se untumi nhye sojafo atade na yenwuram kakra restriction on the use of military uniforms and equipment act 1967 abra free famu tu kwa menkroma no unse grofo bebre e ho na kofa amra yi ba because US mo de utumi hye soja atade navy utumi to no wahye amanfo nim omonza uko US a papa bi okoja mekwan wo New York airport wahye Ghana ni wahye soja atade nam so mbebu wo se ho amo yes US omo hye navy US army unse camouflage omo de enti ubetima hye bi batie Ghana de no abra ku IC year 1966 February 24th aye 2 Kwame Nkrumah no ani afe ena emra eba se krofo bebre ya no mo hyehyɛ soja atade ni bi o mpese o mo de koye ku aha obi ehu o mo beka so mo ye soja fo mo di soja fo ni din ye bone ti ye emra nti ye frɛ no Restriction on Use of Military Uniform and Equipment Act 1967 NLCD 177 National Liberation Council Decree NLCD and omode samre we by baby efri no na eno na ye the 746 Act of Parliament of the Republic of Ghana a existing law nti a minor constitution ni by na yagiatum aye yusu. The restriction is that it states section 1 military uniforms etc not to be worn by civilians. Straight. No person shall wear or use any military uniform, equipment, accoutrement, or other materials unless he is 1. A member of the armed forces of Ghana wearing or using the uniform, equipment, accoutrement, or material which is authorized to wear or use. We are soldier ni ubetimi ahye. 2. A member of other armed forces and has the consent of the National Liberation Council or is entitled by law or by diplomatic usage to wear or use such uniform, equipment, accoutrement, material. Or not just a member. Na member be defining armed forces according to this act. The enti omo say a member obetimi ahye atade bia omo hye with their consent. Omo na beka say okay utimi hye. You will be more hard to consent. But yeah, military need ya we consent. 3. An ex-serviceman wearing or using such uniform, equipment, accoutrement, or material on a ceremonial anniversary or other special occasion approved by the National Liberation Council. Nanui, the reenactment of 1948 routes. So we are 100 years of 1948 routes, no, not 100 years, but we are anniversary. Emma omoko ex-servicemen na bako penaka. Sa brand soldier for na omoko World War by ya. Omoni aban benya ntawantawa colonial government ne se ye ntu omo entitlement amomo a omoko Captain Odate cooperative ne ex-service private offense atupe yo ho mi refi omudi no Odate ne atupe ne omo maka ye bo omutu kofa independence ni kwabna boni mu no omo hye soldier atade na omo de reenact kwan omo fa so a omo eko Christian Castle ayetu obutu no. Enti saa na emra we na eche third one say mubetimi ahye munye soldier for ana mo aye soldier atwam a mubetimi ahye soldier atade with the permission of the council say mo de koye occasion bi. And 4, a person whom the National Liberation Council has by executive instrument authorized to wear or use such uniform, equipment, accoutrement or material. Omo aso betimi ma power say nana boy Oka asempama soja for pa. Otra radio so a ope soja for asempti no. Yen yesi soja for che. Ubetima hye obi anya ohwe no ma yemra. Executive instrument no mo de aba. The section 4 no tie no. Na oko section 1 D na say 4. Section 2 na say unauthorized person not to sell or buy military uniforms. E ho na me o problem. Ade a ya ban ne de yenton. Entie no. Print options and almost say no person shall sell or buy military uniform, equipment, accoutrement, or other materials unless he is authorized in that behalf by the National Liberation Council. Licenses not to be issued for the importation of military uniform. And also the meaning say obi a ma licenses na ukofa force be na obeko na ebi shim because US ne de omoshe. Nti de nti ebi ba ha ne say nye obi a na age licenses or deba. Yes. Except as the National Liberation Council may in either particular case otherwise direct, no license shall be issued under the Importers Regulation and Imposition Fees Act 1963 for the importation of any military uniform. Yabo eno so. Na section 4 no. Aha. Na mpese utie ni yi mame. Or say, any person who contravenes any provision of this decree commit an offense. Who said there shall be no law without punishment. Commit an offense. We emrano soldier for emrano mo ye enupoti o. That time na ye military government. No mo say any person who contravenes any provision of this decree commits an offense and is liable on convictions to a fine not exceeding 500 new cedis or to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 1 year or to both such fine and punishment, imprisonment, over them not more than 1 year. Yadoko kota and also be to a fine for wearing it. 2. No prosecution shall be instituted under this paragraph without the consent of the Attorney General. Enti soja ni bia ntumi emfa martial court. Enkase obi ahye soja atade. Enti odi adinasem ewo ho just Attorney General ene begina mu dia ma nipa no a oya aban no na afi aban no I institute in action na Attorney General so gina mu. Interpretation section in here. In this decree, armed forces includes the police prison services. Nti sa bre no kra no police atade kra wo sha na eno so wrong. Na am say police atade the amount for time pe na because eno ye nkrama. Say America for mo nhye police atade ni bi nti obi kra nkrama. Nti that is it. Me pa chawo. Offenses na ye kan ye no. Soldier for no minim ehhe fa na kire say so obi hye atade na mra na ye no 1967 kotoka na free fam ye no. Omo say obi hye soldier atade a bia na omo hye di bone. Bi ye chewa ye do be court. Ne yama aban ate say ya che obi o hye soldier atade. Attorney General be institute the action. Nti the state versus Nana Boy Chenchehini PSA. Adan ya wa hye soldier atade. Ye do kwa yetimi de ukop to prison ba eni say bro 1 year. Wan kan wasem year. Anase fine. but mostly omo ane echi omo sa abre na fine na ye military government o omo ahu se wontumi fa military ahoden no enye sa ade no so obi mpo nim unse ye womra bi o ho a ye say ignorance of the law is not an excuse but obi o ho wonim ofi US ena waba wo hye soja atade e wo ho no bi ai ho no nye punish by oba ha na ye bone but wo bum raso ignorance does not eno no kire say yenro ne ho obadwam na sabe ne be manda so debi miniam soja for no emra no ye clear minim say new act bi aba e fa saare ho abade minim say ne origin na free kotokamo time na omo ye 1967 NLCD decree omo ye omo di aba 177 omo ase ye chi obi na wo hye bia yemfa ne court attorney general enyina mu emfa ma oban no na omo ni nipa ndi nti se arowro no em se sabre no mpo na na ekoso a atwam ye wo democratic dispensation ekoso pa soja fo ne kwati so obi omo se ro unhya hwe na no omo di bi ye oba bi e ma na trendi wo so Ghana ne Nigeria soja fo na yes ade enopa ya chopa na mede mamo emra ne ye very clear omo ye soja fo omo di soja aban ba ye no kra atwohye mu se punishment ni ye mienu nipa no either so obedem ye de ne be court na abanya institute action against him because of offense obedem not less more than 1 year and I bet you are fine. These are the only two of it. There is no other punishment. Enti se ye de mra ne hye ensemu a na ye ka so obi nwura ne ho obadwamu na sabe onye naked because of this na ye san go back to the dark days, and even in the dark days they made the offense not a brutal execution of military power in public. Omanya ni sa ye nuane mo yanka ankyere mo a anase ya ndane dane ye ho a dakru bia soja ni unua na ebi mo akọ ebe ya wo ya se eno nti ya bu no akuno abra mra ne ye clear say ye chekromfo a ye na wonu say civilians ko chekromfo na omo bu no akuna you can excuse them say mu ye ignorant but soja for the ya che mo mra ne nyina enti say anopa mu fa che me say mra no foforo bia ba e che say soja fo che obi o hye sa atade na ye mu no no onro ne ho a mo ma me hu na mepa che wo say mato afom but say NLCD decree the origin of this law say untumi hye soja atade ne material bia no dia ne offenses ne clear nti sa eniema no moma ye ntwa so ka obi ahwe ne nkwakwa ebi okọ challenge omo soja fo no so de omo mpe challenge but senka ye ka se de ne kokota branche no ntumi nka so onkoda ontumi ti mesre sana amanfo nim the source of this law and amede maka akire mu no ne punishment so eda ho no omo de aba omo ye mra no soja bre no nti afi adai na 1967 ebesi sa bre how many years in here I'm say 69 years 67 68 years no 58 58 years 58 years na ye koye ni masomani egusu aye yes ade ama obi ahwe ne nkwa se wahye soja obi be ya so den de but emrade ye clear we don't have to be beating people nemrem emwa menya hwe se soja panyin no na ni beje se mo aye sa ade etu akoto atade ho Abraham rano so kire de e wo se ye defa menya hwe se mra bia wo Ghana human right into you cannot beat anybody so you security you can't obi ayese wakoku nipa 10 abom ye china yese oye innocent until proven guilty by a competent court of jurisdiction eno achi no kra no obi wakoku nipa 10 abom no you don't beat him yamra yaji atum no ndiade.
Now on that issue no Ashanti region NDC Secretary SN warning to Mahama say the way a BIDC or Boase Nancy 2025 ya toba bi galamsey and galamsey nsem ya ho Anglo Gold Ashanti youth ni ko ho captain smart di baby captain smart inside youth ni mo ko ho no ma obi say for clash at the end ye bo nipa 7 to kum no secretary say dey see Obuase na ye say yan kan hwe no aye soldiers for the HDC aha Nyinahin there or no as Ashanti region NDC Secretary. Se Mahama an call for justice for kushi bia wa we dia ene Mahama entwen na obo de ebeto no.
Man, say obi was that time we so. Enye a good man, a good man na ebra Ghana e second independent e John Mahama eba na wo ka ho. Me na me coordinator of the zone here. Enti nipa na adwuma o ye e boa ye. Chairman di kaka dey si e wo boase. Ko show boase incidents na utim say target killing. They targeted them because ye dey no ko show mo omogu say nipa na ebo mutuo no. 9 no about 7 of them it will be born free nature in the pay them. So it means say simple crazy na odwane emre mu no say nipa ye monitor eno abeda ho ase ye kata so ye nka ho hwe ene asojafo ne bi ahye omun kuran say ye ya ahwensi enti ye betimi aya afa ye ho adi eno na ene aba Nyinahin ye party no so aye adwuma abre na onko fa etu nkran nko bokro no enko kum nipa nyehwe yetime boni tu adwa kete ekon adan a wo shatade a ese asojafo atade enye se ya asojafo atade o ese asojafo atade na wro mawro sura ma aka for men hwehwe wo form edimintimi nwura no nka ho dia so mebo otu agu then you could clearly see say ad soja no otutu no bodam ana na adwo nya adwo ese yi free soja no we intend ye hia se ye betena se kusu ase we ni abebua nipa otutu no whether he's politically motivated and so ye bodam for say ye dey Ghana soja for ho clearly so ye investigation ye yi ni free mutem ye nwa broda dem me no na ye adwo wa Ashanti region we are deputy defense minister ye Roma ne boama ufra Asante mantemu we ye defense minister sa soja for enimanimu ya ye be se ehu de be ye wo mo no mo for boase de nka ho me Kofi Bechamfo se ni na otwe mienu na sa ba me ye hu de asi a me lead demonstration e Okroma etia ba because we need to find justice yentime ntra na soja for mfa tomu boy etu enkunye for what reason se nipa no obi e wo kosie no wo cha ni street so won che omo nkoye demonstration enye unlawful demonstration enye unlawful gathering no machia now obuofu so ye be ma soja for that into ofatu and what even I've heard they say when they shot and penetrate went over to him it didn't say he intended to kill him. And I think say we entered into one more into one more. So into one more the first time on one party members led by the regional secretary leading demonstration it just about way and Japan to for no just we
Ijabusia we na raho semo a esi ewo Nyinahin in Ashanti region Nyinahin in Ashanti region abranche friend kushibi ishia na nkwanhie ewu abrades omo ede ifunu ekwa musi akosia na so hye camouflage soldiers uniform I say wuro menwuro that's a body too ekon sports ba ma atela adwene esma question sports ba ma ebu say what is your view on that tell your mama ewo comment section hi Penyah Block Media Accra.